In this video, we explore the upcoming Inflight Middle East event. Co-located with MRO Middle East, the event will take place on the 11th to the 12th of February 2019 in Dubai. Let's take a look at the session themes and posed questions for Day 1. Session 1. What are the benefits of ownership and leasing satellite capacity for service providers, airline customers and satellite manufacturers? Session 2. What is being done to ensure connectivity is secure and safe from unwanted access, both external and internal? How real a threat is a cyber attack on an aircraft? Session 3. The popularity of live TV is increasing as more airlines offer the service. Why is it so popular? What type of content is available? Who offers it? And what are the key challenges surrounding it? Session 4. As airlines embrace digital technology, are they moving towards the software as a service model? How are airlines using digital technology such as virtual reality, paperless cockpits, biometrics and so on to move away from conventional business processes? For more information on the Inflight Middle East event, or if you're interested in joining us as a panellist, visit the event website. Look out for our next video, which will explore Day 2 of the event workshop schedule.